tips by Inkjet Ink.
Hi friends, Inkjet offers fluids for the Videojet 1000 series. So I wanted to make a quick video showing the procedure once you purchase a box of these fluids. So in my hands is a box of OS 705, which of course replaces the V705. And if you'll notice, our configuration is 5 cartridges to a box. And here you can see our version is 950 ml as opposed to 750. And a really important point to notice is our bottle has a valve, and this seal must be removed. So there's a valve. Again, this seal must be removed so that this can breathe. Then you insert the cartridge in the printer, and here you can see that the printer recognized the cartridge or the chip. There you can see it reads V705, serial number, batch code, and expiration date of the chip. And that's it, my friends.